Did you get a picture of that, Richard?
There we go, just setting up the little rainbow at the entrance.
Oh, yeah, it's all right. We just can't go back anymore. Get this one. I know. Because this is an exit and entrance, isn't it? Or that?
Yeah.
Might be that one. Probably just this one.
Yeah. Yeah, so it's just... so you have any... Oh, you did have gas. Fix that on the end. I'm not high enough, am I?
Alright, just setting up the sound now. There's the hammers.
Yep.
And then I'll give you two. I don't have a full back.
Right.
So, we're at the Burnie Arts and Function Centre. Here's where we go in. Steve's doing his drum check.
Yeah, right. Hey there, welcome. Fantastic,
Up
thank
there.
you. It's all I need for the moment.
Hey, hey.
Yep, great.
Hey, hey.
Great.
Steve's up there.
Yep, great. You got Alan's RF on.
Hey, hey. Yeah, yeah.
Excellent. Chevrolet.
This is a view for me. The stage mixer there. iPad for sound effects, Ovation. I've just got Steve setting up next to me there. Final setup. It really is a thing of beauty. Look at that. Magnificent. How's that for timing? Just caught the chapel just before 3 o'clock for a call.
What else is on it?
Tuna, octave, RC.
Oh, yeah.
Right, here we go. The noisy part of the stage.
It makes the whole round of yes, but that's fine. We can chat like we normally do. And I'm not going to put a finger up at you. No, everyone does. I know. Would you know? Perhaps I won't. Because someone will be watching it.
Cool. You want to move on? Yep. Great. All right, Lane, just a video acoustic if you've still got it. Yep. How's everyone feel on stage for acoustic? Great.
Hi, a bit of acoustic, Wayne.
It's 4 o'clock, so that's okay.
Hang on. Thank you, mate.
So the children aren't here in their
All right.
What song should we do for our children?
Are we doing money?
What is it?
Money?
Money.
Yeah, money. Go through the new ones.
There's a lot of trouble. And I've looked up the rest of them.
Yes, I'm thinking, did anyone got, the old club?
Yeah, I'll back it down a touch.
Can we do
How's
it?
that?
Our first song?
When you do a lead break, just step this way and forward. Yeah. You're doing those awesome lead breaks, not on light, it's getting here. Right. And in the other song where there's a little bass solo, you can step aside because you're standing right in front and trying to pick them up. So whenever we've got bass solos here, if you can take a big step sideways, we can start to pick up the players. So is it possible? Yeah, they can stay with our one. Yeah. I don't see anything like the same with the they just keep them on it.
Is that bass working in your bed for us?
Sounds great to me.
What's our concerns? You can't hear us, right?
No, yeah. Can I have a little bit more of the girls? Not yet,
I reckon we look at as much as the pain backside, we look at the hand back, eventually because point back way. So let's sort that. Yep. That's going to be a good move.
Something.
Oh,
How's that, Steve?
yeah.
Just
And
one.
some more of Andrew against that. Andrew, in here.
Guitar or mine?
Oh,
Vocal.
vocal, yeah. Thank you.
Sound like that front. So we just have another
Checking 1, 2. Checking 1. Here it comes. Here it comes. Here it comes. Here it comes.
So when you're playing, it is just over your right shoulder. Does that make sense? Okay, that might actually be fine. That might be fine. All right, let's keep it right now.
Are we finished or are we still going?
Einstein! What about? Go up to the front and say it like you mean it to the audience in the microphone. Einstein! Or whatever it is.
Einstein.
You can say that if you want.
Einstein.
Just
Yeah, I don't get that.
it's like the water.
Makes you look a bit more.
More impact.
Yeah.
Like, yep. Say it like me.
Yeah. Yeah. A bit more, yeah.
It's sort of in the background. We can't. I don't reckon the audience gets the impact of it.
No, no, I remember not the last year, but the one before. I thought, God, where's Alan? Where is he?
Yeah, well, I hide away a little bit.
Yeah, no, come out.
Can you mark a page?
Yeah, I might get
What is too much?
And I've got Fairman.
Well, what is the note?
There's only two more to come. There's only Shelby and Jazz. And that's it. So we've got a Fairman.
Okay, fantastic. All right, we'll work on this.
Here's the production line.
Gee, I hope I don't wear my wrist out before the show. That'll be bad. Maybe I should swim over.
That's what inspired me to want to play it more. Yeah. So I'm going to take a lap steel up for it.
You mentioned it.
Yeah. Yeah, you can't do that anymore because of that.
Any comments for the camera there, Wayne? How are you going to top that photograph?
Younger guy.
Yeah, that's the look. That's the look.
I practiced backstage, yeah.
And he's either on sound or light, I don't know which one. I don't know his name. But I've seen him on Facebook and I know he's a drummer. And he said something about, oh, you've got bottom skins on your Thomas now. Nice one, right? So you don't know whether he's lighting or she's a clown. Where is he?
5-2, right?
5-2, right? We're better.
Yeah.
Get everyone in for the. We're going to do that down there.
Maybe Sherry.
Do it up here.
Here we are. Oh. Is that okay, Wayne? That's the way. Here we go. We're going, are we?
Oh, bring that.
I'm here to take photos. So do you mind if I go? I know, I'm bigger.
Oh, okay.
Thank you.
And I said you was really
Hello. Yeah, I know, no, it's all cool. Yeah. Thank you. Yeah, good to see you. Hello. 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 Been growing any lately? Yes. Yes.
Been growing in.
So it might be a bit hard to sort of, but essentially what you should be able to do, you should be able to just paint this curtain back, and that'll get your picture.
Rock and roll. Oh, must be in the right place already. Oh yeah, there's the keyboard. Where's the crowd? How they look? What's your assessment, Wayne? 2 words?
Oh, that's good. Yeah, good. I'm looking forward to it.
Okay.
Reach for the secret, too soon.
Oh,
stuff.
To the triangle. Triangle, yeah. Oh, sit down with this one.
This is where it all ends up, and you can see Wayne Rand is doing his usual trick. Waiting until the work's done.
Looking on. Supervising, actually.
Oh.
Is there a correct way or just?
Yeah. Over this side with the bottom this side. Oh, that on the floor.
Yeah.
And the open,
And the open
up,
section.
up the top.
There's only so many ways you can do a triangle.
Yeah, 3. 3 usually pulls me up anyway.
Everyone's smart ass, aren't they?
You give it half a chance.
You've always been the packer.
Snubby old.
Chief Packer. He's a whacker and a packer. He whacks them and then he packs them away.
That's the wallet somewhere?
Yep, that's all right. We got it. I'll have to back into that.
Is that in your car?
No, that's Steve's. Yep.
Yeah. There's still bars.
Yeah,
The support bars for the
yes.
duties.
Good now, I'm back to go in the car.
It's like a heat race.
And another large heavy set.
I think Wayne's getting them. No, he's not.
One of us.
Well, that's it. There's the van, it's just about packed up.